Painting and drawing have played a major historical role in giving or solidifying power to some and taking power away from others. From our first presidential portrait of George Washington to former President Barack Obama's portrait, paintings have been used to magnify the importance of the person being represented. The question we want to ask when thinking about work like this is, who is left out and why? My name is Jose Guadalupe Sanchez III, and I am an assistant professor of painting and drawing at Occidental College. My research practice centers on this very question, while additionally attending to how creative practices can contribute to more equitable distributions of power through representation and social practice. In this set of paintings, I used conventional portrait techniques developed during the Renaissance to depict my mother, two brothers, and myself. We're all in casual clothing and sitting on common chairs. We're looking off into the distance, concerned about our personal interests, and have little interest in performing for the viewer. Most important here is depicting our everyday selves as valuable, as having worth through our complexities represented through our bodies, posture, facial expression, and clothing. This complexity is assisted by the highly saturated environments we are sitting in and sharing. There are 3 different environments transparently layered on top of each other, so as to see multiple moments simultaneously. Here, I want the viewer to see the many moments that produced us. My body of work uses our collective understanding and expectations of portraiture to revalue and empower bodies that have been historically devalued or made invisible through racism, classism, or sexism.